In this next step, what you want to do is take the bike out of the box and set it upside down so it looks like this. You can remove any other packaging and remove this part off the fork. Next, what you want to do is just loosen up the axle nuts on each side. Move the washers to the outside also. And then you're going to set the wheel into the fork. Make sure the axle nut and washer are on the outside of the fork on both sides. Once that's set in there fully, just hand tighten each side some. And then you're going to use your 15mm wrench to tighten these down fully. Turning clockwise to make sure they are snug down very tight on both sides.